Hi everyone, this is about take 4 of this video, and I keep getting a message saying there's no audio being recorded, but guess what? It's being recorded, so I'll keep going. I'd like to talk more about this 17 plus 45 question that we had on the last video. And in particular, I'd like you to take a look at the number 17. And this may seem ridiculous to talk about, but the number 17, the two digits in the number 17, they each have their own place value. And by that I mean this. The 7 is a collection of 7 units or 7 ones. We call it the ones column, sometimes called the units. The 1 is actually 1, 10. It's one group of 10. So this is the tens column. So the number 17 is a group. It's made up of a 10 and a 7. And I know that really sounds ridiculous to maybe talk about that, but that's true. And we need to understand that to carry on. So let's take these questions off. And now would be a good time to pause the video while you finish writing that down. And we'll do a couple more, okay? Looks like the video's still going. That's great. Okay, number 5. Let's do 27 plus 362. Okay, problems right off the bat. You can't do it unless you line up the proper way. This 27, this is in the tens column. The 2 is the tens column. This is a 300. You can't add tens plus hundreds. You have to do it like so. 27 plus 362. This is wrong because they're not lined up properly. And we always line up from the right side and then work left. Okay? If you want to pretend that there's a 0 here, you can. Some people do that. It's totally fine. So let's go. We have 7 plus 2. That's 9. 2 plus 6 is 8. And we have nothing there and 3. So there we have our answers, 389. That was actually pretty easy. Let's do one that is going to require us to carry, or also known as regroup. I'll just make it up off the top of my head here. We're going to go number 6. And it looks like this. 69 plus 472. Okay, again, we always start from the right. We have 9 plus 2 makes 11. I'm just going to put the 1 down there. And I'm going to put the other one over there. Notice they're all in a nice line. Now the 1 plus 6 makes 7, plus 7 makes 14. I'm going to put this here like that. Is it coming out pretty clear? Yeah. Okay, so there was a 14. I'm going to just plop that over there. And we have 1 plus 4 makes 5. Okay, I'm gonna put one more question on the board here, and this is gonna be the first question that's on that set of handouts that you would have been given on first day with me, and it looks like this. It's 674. This is number 7. 674 plus, let's see, 1332. So 1332. So I want you to take a look at that question. I want you to ponder it. I'm going to stop the video in a second, and I want you to try that question on your own. And if you do have the package, you'll notice by flipping over to the other side, you'll be given the answer, okay? So let me just erase this. I'll leave that question, 674 plus 1,332, on there for now, and I'll say goodbye for now, and we'll talk to you on the next video.